Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Very good evening to you. This is your English period, and today we will read letter U. Let's open your book page number 64. Here you can see letter U. Capital letter is called U, and its sound is A. A. A up, A umbrella, A under. Its sound is A. Look here, U is here for you. First one capital letter is here that called U, and small letter its sound is A. A under, A umbrella. A under, A umbrella. Under mean niche. Under the table there is cat sitting under the table. A under, A umbrella. Now read some more words with letter A. A under, A umbrella, A up. You can see some pictures is given here on your book. You have to join the letters U R to the pictures that begin with letter U R. First one is jam. Jam starting sound is ja, so we will not match it with U. हम इसको U के साथ match नहीं करेंगे. The second one is umbrella. A up, A under. These three object is here and its starting letter is U R, so you have to match it with letter U R. So class, read some more vocabulary words with me. A under. Read it. A under. Under mean niche. Under the table. A under. A umbrella. This one is umbrella. A umbrella. A umbrella. Starting sound is A. And next one is A up. Up mean upper. You can see stars in the sky. A. Now here is work page for you. You have to write U letter here. U is too easy. You have to start it from the first line, turn it to below, and then turn it from 3 line toward first line. It's so easy. You have to trace it and write it with one dot, letter U. Do your work very carefully. Write it on proper line with proper formation, and take care of yourself. Wait for my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.